Hey tech fans, welcome back to Phenom Builds. Today, we're diving into the 5 best EDC knife 2025. From game-changing features to standout performance, these are the must-have products you need to know about. Ready to see which one fits your needs? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Mtech USA Spring-Assisted Folding Knife. The Mtech USA Spring-Assisted Folding Knife is a versatile and reliable tool designed for everyday carry, outdoor adventures, and tactical use. Featuring a spring-assisted opening mechanism, this knife allows for quick and effortless one-handed deployment, making it a convenient choice for users who need instant access to a sharp and durable blade. The stainless steel blade provides excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance. Additionally, its ergonomic handle, often made from aluminum, G10, or stainless steel, offers a secure grip, enhancing safety and control during use. One of the standout features of the Mtech USA folding knife is its rugged design, which balances functionality with aesthetics. Many models include a pocket clip for easy carry, a liner lock or frame lock for added security, and even features like a glass breaker or seatbelt cutter for emergency situations. Whether used for camping, self-defense, or everyday tasks, this knife delivers solid performance at an affordable price. With its combination of durability, ease of use, and sleek design, the Mtech USA Spring-Assisted Folding Knife is a great choice for knife enthusiasts and practical users alike. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife is a well-crafted and reliable option for everyday carry, tactical use, and outdoor activities. Designed for durability, it features a sharp stainless steel blade that resists corrosion and maintains its edge well over time. The partially serrated drop-point blade offers versatility, making it effective for both slicing and cutting tougher materials. Its thumb stud allows for quick one-handed deployment, while the liner lock mechanism ensures secure blade engagement during use. With its compact and lightweight design, this knife is easy to carry, making it a practical choice for those who need a dependable tool on hand. Built with an ergonomic aluminum handle, the Extreme Ops folding knife provides a secure grip, even in challenging conditions. The textured handle design enhances control, reducing the risk of slipping during use. Additional features, such as a pocket clip for easy carry and jimping along the spine for extra grip, add to its overall functionality. Many users appreciate its sturdy construction and tactical appearance, making it a popular choice for outdoor enthusiasts, first responders, and everyday users. Offering a balance of affordability, durability, and performance, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife is a solid choice for those in need of a reliable folding knife. Number 3. Gerber Highbrow Compact Pocket Knife. The Gerber Highbrow Compact Pocket Knife is a sleek and functional everyday carry, EDC knife designed for smooth one-handed operation. Featuring an assisted opening mechanism, this knife allows for quick and effortless deployment with the help of an ambidextrous pivot lock. The high-quality stainless steel blade offers excellent sharpness and edge retention, making it a reliable tool for daily cutting tasks. With a compact size and lightweight construction, the Highbrow is easy to carry, fitting comfortably in a pocket or clipped onto a belt for convenient access. One of the standout features of the Gerber Highbrow Compact is its ergonomic handle, designed for a comfortable and secure grip. The textured surface enhances control, ensuring safe handling even in wet or slippery conditions. The knife also includes a deep carry pocket clip and a built-in safety lock for added security. Whether used for outdoor activities, utility tasks, or everyday needs, this knife delivers a balance of style, functionality, and durability. With Gerber's reputation for quality craftsmanship, the Highbrow Compact is an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable and stylish pocket knife. Number 2. Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight Folding Utility Pocket Knife. The Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight Folding Utility Pocket Knife is a high-performance EDC knife known for its durability, ergonomic design, and precision cutting ability. Featuring a razor-sharp 8cr13 MOV stainless steel blade, it offers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and easy sharpening, making it ideal for everyday tasks. The signature Spyderco round hole allows for smooth one-handed deployment, while the liner lock mechanism ensures a secure and stable blade during use. Its full flat grind enhances slicing capability, making it a versatile tool for utility, outdoor, and tactical applications. What sets the Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight apart is its lightweight FRN, fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, which provides a comfortable, non-slip grip without adding bulk. The ergonomic design ensures excellent control, even during extended use. The knife also features a 4-way pocket clip, allowing for customizable carry options, tip up or tip down, left or right-handed. With its combination of affordability, premium design, and reliable performance, the Spyderco Tenacious is a top choice for those looking for a high-quality folding knife for everyday carry and heavy-duty tasks. Number 1. Civivi Vision FG Pocket Knife. The Civivi Vision FG Pocket Knife is a premium everyday carry (EDC) knife that combines sleek aesthetics with top-tier functionality. Designed with a high-quality stainless steel blade, it delivers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability for various cutting tasks. The reverse tanto blade shape offers a perfect balance of strength and precision, making it versatile for both everyday use and outdoor adventures. Its button lock mechanism ensures a smooth and secure operation, allowing for effortless one-handed deployment and safe closure. One of the standout features of the Civivi Vision FG is its ergonomic G10 handle, which provides a comfortable and secure grip, even in challenging conditions. The lightweight yet robust construction makes it easy to carry, while the deep carry pocket clip allows for discreet and convenient storage. With Civivi's reputation for high-quality craftsmanship and smooth action, this knife is an excellent choice for collectors, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a reliable, stylish, and high-performance pocket knife for daily use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. If you're interested in buying any of the products we covered today, check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech. See you in the next video.